In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks rotary hammer. We have featured a 24-volt SDS Plus rotary hammer. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your rotary hammer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Carefully lift the rotary hammer out of the box and set it down. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing the bit. Start by setting the /reverse switch to neutral to lock the trigger. Pull back the clamp collar, insert the bit into the coupler, and release the collar to lock it in place. Step 4. Removing the bit. To remove the bit, pull back the clamp collar and slide the bit out. Step 5. Installing the auxiliary handle. Loosen the auxiliary handle by turning it counterclockwise. Adjust it to your preferred position, then tighten it clockwise. Make sure it's securely attached to the depth stop rod clamp. Step 6. Installing and removing the battery. Start by installing the battery. Align the lift ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the compartment. Then push it in until you hear a click. To remove the battery, press and hold the release button. Then pull the battery pack out of the rotary hammer. Step 7. Starting and stopping the drill. Push the /reverse switch fully to the left or right. Then pull the trigger to start. The drill features variable speed. Press lightly for low speed and harder for more power. Releasing the trigger will stop the drill. Always allow it to come to a complete stop before changing direction. Step 8. Set the direction. Use the /reverse switch above the trigger. Left for forward, right for reverse, and center to lock the trigger. Step 9. Adjusting the depth rod. Set the switch to neutral. Press the rod adjustment button, slide the depth stop rod to your desired depth, and then release the button. Step 10. Mode selection. Push the release button and rotate the mode selector to choose between chisel rotation lock, chisel, hammer drill, and drill. Step 11. Operational tips. To keep operations simple, we have a few tips for you. For wood, use high-speed steel bits and start slow. For metal, use oil to cool the bit and avoid overheating. For masonry, use carbide-tipped bits and apply light pressure. Step 12. Maintenance and storage. After use and before any maintenance, always remember to remove the battery. Clean the tool with a soft, damp cloth, sticking to the outside casing. Clear debris from the air vents using a vacuum. Never use solvents or spray water on the tool. Store it in a dry place, away from moisture and extreme temperatures. For long-term storage, remove the battery and store it separately in a cool, dry place. For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.